Hello, dear trainee pilots. How are you? And have you been doing all the numericals that I have been posting so far? If not, start doing them now, not too late. And every time it's a good habit to first read the lesson and then try the numericals. Now, here in our series of navigation numericals on Booty Aviation Training, SK Booty, I'm back with you, and today, as promised in the last lesson, I have a test paper for you on automatic direction finder with guidance and answers. Now, here are your numericals. Here are some questions for you. And I repeat and advise as ever, copy down these questions. First do these questions and then come back and check the answers. Don't be in a hurry to note down the answers along with the questions. Of course, I've given you answers in the end. Now, question number 1, 2, 3, 4. I think you should be able to do it yourself. They are very fairly simple. Bearing change, we have done it. And in question number 5, there is a little bit of difficulty thrown in, and that is he has given you aircraft is on radial 105. That means his magnetic bearing from the ground station is 105, but the heading he has given you is true. This is where there is likelihood of making a mistake. If it's a QT, then heading true is all right. And if you're flying a radial, convert this into magnetic heading, and then magnetic heading plus the bearing relative will be your QDM. The rest, I think you will be understood. Sufficient hint has been given to you. Still find it difficult? You can always come back to me in comments that I could not get it right. The next are 5 more numericals. And once you have applied a drift, your station behind should not read 180. What should it read is what is asked here. Aircraft is on a magnetic bearing of 060. Magnetic bearing from place P means this is your QDR or radial, and then apply CDMVT and answer these questions. 8 is similar. Okay, apply the correct terminology, and in between you will have to apply CDMVT also. Question number 9 and 10 are similar. In question number 9 and 10, this is the track, this is also the heading. That means he is not applied the drift. Okay. And if he drifts away from the track, his heading will be parallel to the track, but he'll go away from the track. Here is your NDB. From here, this pilot is tracking out, and he could land up to the starboard or port, and his heading will be same as the track because no drift has been applied. If the relative bearing is more than 190, see from here, from the nose, more than 180, you are to the right. If it is less than 180, you are to the left of the track. And then apply the correction in the correct direction. And please remember, this deviation from 180 This angle will be equal to this angle, and that is your track error. Once you know the track error with distance gone from your DME, distance measuring equipment, you can find out distance off track and then apply the correction closing angle to wherever you want to go. So this is the type of questions, right? And question number 7, I repeat, aircraft on a magnetic bearing of 060 means you are on radial 060. Now you can try these numericals on your own and then only check your answers from the next slide, which I have given it to you. And here are the answers to these questions. Don't be in a hurry to note them down. Have patience and do it only after you have done the numericals. Take my advice, and my advice will always be good for you. And before you sign out or log out, if you find these numericals a little difficult, not to worry, most people do. You are not the first one. Try again till you master these. Fortune favors the brave, not the timid. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and also do share this link with your other groups of pilot friends. Bye-bye, all the best. I shall be back with you for some more educational videos. Okay, good luck, all the best.